Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that by the end of this video you will have gotten a gist of who I am, what I'm about, what this channel is about, and that you will click that subscribe button and join this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome to another video. Today, as the title suggests, today we're going to be talking about there's a verse in the Bible that says bad company corrupts good character. And I wanted to speak on that today briefly. I've been thinking about it for a little bit and I thought I should share with you guys. So the first thing that I wanted to speak on is being mindful of the people you keep around you. I'm one person that is very big on energy. I'm very big on what we would call vibes, right? And if the vibe is wrong, if the energy is off, I tend to want to retreat and limit the time that I spend around that group of people or that place or whatever. You know how we always say that, there's something just, my gut tells me that, listen to that. In most cases, you're not wrong. Even if you feel like, okay, maybe your suspicions are a bit too far-fetched, don't ignore that gut feeling. Don't ignore it. And for me as a believer, I interpret that as the Holy Spirit trying to communicate something to me. It might not necessarily mean that that person is bad or that person is doing you dirty or whatever, but it just might mean there's just something in that. So pay attention to that gut feeling. Pay attention to the vibes that you feel. If you feel like you're becoming a completely different person and you've off-ramped, you've just gone left, and you don't even recognize yourself, it's very important. And it's important to evaluate your relationships, the people that you spend time with, the things that you engage in, the conversations you engage in. And if you feel like you need to cut some stuff off or you need to minimize your interactions with certain people or certain spaces, do that, because it's very, very important. You don't want to end up losing yourself just because you're trying to keep a friendship or whatever. Another point that I wanted to speak on is, I think these 2 points will actually go hand in hand. Loving people does not mean you have to do it at close proximity all the time. You can love people from a distance. Me deciding not to be around someone doesn't mean that I love them any less, but it just means that I love myself a bit more and I cherish the true essence of who I am more than what is going on here. It might sound a little bit mean, it might sound a little bit self-centered, but sometimes you're going to have to make those tough decisions or have those tough conversations and just be like, you know what, I love you, my friend, but I think I'm just going to have to detach for a little bit. And there's nothing wrong in that. There really is nothing wrong in that. The last thing that I wanted to speak on is family. I'm not really big on the notion, family, blood is thicker than water. Sorry about that, I had to take a quick call, but like I was saying, if you as my relative, you as my cousin, my sister, my brother, my aunt, whatever you are, if me being around you does not, it just keeps taking and stripping me of who I really am or who I really am supposed to be, or you're just a negative energy around me, I do not feel like I am obliged to keep you around, and I will not do that. And this is my personal opinion. Not many people will agree with me. Blood is not always thicker than water. Sometimes you will connect more and you will find more value in a friendship than with a family member. It's a sad reality, but it is what it is. And I don't think there's anything wrong with just being like, you know what, at events. And there's no bad blood. Like I said, you don't have to love people at close proximity to prove that you love them. I can love you and I can support you where I can, but I don't have to have like a close relationship with you. I don't have to tell you everything. I don't have to share everything with you. But it does not mean that I love you any less. Do you get what I'm trying to say? So be mindful of the people that you interact with. Be mindful of the spaces that you find yourself in. Pay attention to that gut feeling. In most cases, it does not lie. If ever you feel like every time you're in a certain space or you're around certain people, you just feel like it's just not, you don't feel at ease, pay attention to that and act accordingly. Do what you feel is best. Don't lose yourself trying to keep people or trying to keep the peace or whatever. Your peace matters more. You need to be at peace. You need to have love in your heart. You need to be at ease, and you need to remain who you truly are. Negativity out of the way. Okay? So yeah, that's all I wanted to share. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about this topic. Share this video with someone who might need to hear it, and let them know that we hang out here every now and then. And subscribe if you haven't already, and join this amazing family. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.